This is a Tekna model TK133 single head automatic cutting machine for cutting extruded aluminum and various other non-ferrous materials such as fiberglass, copper, brass, etc.
The machine has a moving cover, protective cover for the blade area. Underneath here you have a position where a box goes. The box is wrapped for shipment. It's brand new. It has the manuals and the tools in it, so I've chosen just to have it out at this time. This is where all the chips go, and you can see some of the copper chips from the earlier sample cuts I made prior to making this film. If you want, you can connect a suction system to the box and evacuate a lot of the lighter stuff through the suction system as well. On the back of the machine, we have the coolant reservoir. If you lift the back cover up, you can see inside the machine. This is the saw head. This is what we call the Johnny-ometer. This is how the saw blade is positioned. It's positioned against hard stops. This stop with the handle is a 45-degree stop. It can be moved out of position so that this hard stop is now the new stop position and moved back in for going back to 45. This again is for 45 only. These can be positioned, this one and this one can be positioned at any angle you want. Okay, to demonstrate the machine, I'm going to first turn the air on. Power switch is right here. Turn that on. There is a light underneath the cover. There's 5 control switches and knobs, starting with the left. This engages blade feed and high pressure and also lowers the protective cover. This is blade motor on and off. This is your left tilt position, your 90-degree tilt position, and your right tilt position for the blade. And this engages the clamps and disengages the clamps at low pressure for positioning the profile. I'll go ahead and demonstrate the blade positioning. Right now we're at 90, we'll go left, right, back to 90. And as you can see, there's a LED positioned indicator. Oh, you know what, I'll show the clamps. Low pressure only, on, off.